Barcode Reader. A barcode reader, also called as price scanner or point-of-sale POS scanner. It is a handheld or stationary input device used to capture and read the information contained in a barcode. Like a flatbed scanner, it consists of a light source, a lens, and a light sensor translating optical impulses into electrical ones. It contains a light-sensitive detector which identifies the values of the bars on the product and converts them into numeric code. Additionally, nearly all barcode readers contain decoder circuitry analyzing the barcode's image data provided by the sensor and sending the barcode's content to the scanner's output port. These barcode readers are used in shopping malls in a very large scale to read the article code and price. Barcodes are often used to help, organize, and index information or prices about an object. A perfect example of a barcode reader is a supermarket barcode scanner that reads and logs the price of a product. There are 5 basic kinds of barcode readers such as pen vands, slot scanners, charge-coupled device CCD scanners, image scanners, laser scanners. Pen vand. Pen vand is the simplest barcode reader. It contains no moving parts and is known for its durability and low cost. A pen vand can present a challenge to the user, however, because it has to remain in direct contact with the barcode, must be held at a certain angle and has to be moved over the barcode at a certain speed. Slot scanner. Slot scanner remains stationary and the item with the barcode on it is pulled by hand through the slot. Slot scanners are typically used to scan barcodes on identification cards. Charge-coupled device CCD scanner. The charge-coupled device scanner has a better read range than the pen vand and is often used in retail sales. Typically, a CCD scanner has a gun-type interface and has to be held no more than 1 inch from the barcode. Each time the barcode is scanned, several readings are taken to reduce the possibility of errors. A disadvantage of the CCD scanner is that it cannot read a barcode that is wider than its input face. Image scanner. The image scanner is also called a camera reader, which uses a small video camera to capture an image of the barcode and then uses sophisticated digital image processing techniques to decode the barcode. It can read a barcode from about 3 to 9 inches away and generally costs less than a laser scanner. Laser scanner. The laser scanner is either handheld or stationary, does not have to be close to the barcode in order to do its job. It uses a system of mirrors and lenses to allow the scanner to read the barcode regardless of orientation and can easily read a barcode up to 24 inches away. To reduce the possibility of errors, a laser scanning may perform up to 500 scans per second. Specialized long-range laser scanners are capable of reading a barcode up to 30 feet away.